Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Crio.Do is hiring for Strategy and Operations Associate role. Job location is Bengaluru, Karnataka. Let us get to know about the job. Management Trainee Associate Program at Crio.Do. Looking to build a solid foundation to fast track your career in management with a structured 12-month management training program. We strongly believe that the ropes of management can be learned only by doing, and career growth magic happens when the following three things come together. First, opportunity to solve high impact problems with full ownership. Ownership of high impact areas, challenging problems, constraints and timelines. Expectation for nothing less than a world class solution. Understanding customer deeply, understand the market very deeply, build a best in class process product solution to solve our customers' problems. Third is amazing peers who raise the bar and provide effective mentoring. No place for mediocrity. Leaders who will lead by example, contextual feedback and inputs. Some of us are fortunate to be part of companies that gave us all of the above three aspects early on in our careers. Looking forward to working with some amazing young talent and grooming them to be the awesome leaders while they deliver fresh energy and high impact for us. What's in it for you and what will you do? Partner with leaders in growth or customer experience areas to own and solve a business problem independently. You will be responsible for understanding business goals, defining the business process, identifying metrics, tracking and reporting for one business area. You will also be required to independently research both users and internal teams to identify any gaps in current processes and plan and execute items to improve efficiency. You will be responsible for coming up with a roadmap of initiatives and executing them to improve business processes with product or operational initiatives. You will also be required to come up with new initiatives to improve the metrics in your ownership area. What will you get? While doing all of the above, you will be exposed to a wide range of domains ranging across sales, marketing, operations, product management, finance and engineering, a truly full stack individual. Competitive salary and structured learning opportunities, fast track career growth in 12 months, whom we are looking for. So required qualifications are engineering or management graduate with 0 to 1 year of experience, students in the last semester of college but can do full-time internship also, encouraged to apply. Someone with one of the below aspirations will be an ideal candidate. Aspiring to build a fast-track career in management with skill sets in sales, marketing and product management. Aspiring for top-tier MBA programs in India or abroad after 3 years of meaningful management experience. Aspiring to start up a business of your own in a few years down the line. Someone with one of the below demonstrated skills will be an ideal candidate. Demonstrated excellence in one or more are listed below. Sports, leadership positions in college clubs, not just being part of the catering committee for one day, but build social media, blog content, followers. Any entrepreneurial attempts, failed or successful. Really high performance in past work, internship. Your manager is willing to vouch for you and give reference. Cracked competitive exams and got into tier 1 colleges. Any proof of work for efforts taken towards building or improving your management skills. Some examples are listed below. Learned data analytics, Excel, etc. Learned digital marketing, books. You should be able to discuss takeaways from your chosen books in detail for 20 minutes. Let us get to know about Crio.Do. At Crio.Do, you learn technology through work-life experiences that are curated from the industry and optimized for learning. Existing ways of learning through videos, traditional universities or boot camps do not make the cut in aiding developers to gain real skills that translate to success and work. Crio's learning methodology is centered around building real products and learning tech hand in hand, much like learning and developing products or solving challenging problems in a real work environment. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this apply button. Then this Google form will open. Here are some basic details you have to fill: email, full name, phone number, resume, LinkedIn profile, highest education which you are currently pursuing or you have completed, year of graduation, current or previous company if you have worked somewhere, current or previous role. Kindly share your notice period details, current or previous CTC in lakhs, expected CTC, and then click on the next button. Then after clicking on next, this page will open. Here are some questions. Why are you interested in a management role? What are your career goals in 3 years? Describe your past excellence in any of the following areas. After answering these all the questions, just click on the submit button and submit this application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, एंड फॉर मोर लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.